Hello, good day, friends. This is Steve Mix FX. Today, I would want to take you through a stock that I noticed that have been above the 200 period moving average for the past 3 good years. Some of us might be thinking, Steve Mix, I don't believe that too, but I will really prove it to you. Let's go. All right, we are in our chat. All right, this is the particular stock that I'm talking about. As you can see, that this stock has been above the 200 period moving average for the past 3 years. But some of us might be thinking and saying, even if it is above the 200 period moving average for the past 3 years, what does it have to do with us? What is the meaning? What exactly does it mean? All right, let me tell us. They usually say that let the market work for you. Allow the market to work for you. Do not be the slave of the market. Allow the market to do its thing. And that is exactly what this particular place is teaching us. When the price went above the 200 period moving average, let's assume that you placed a trade on the bottom of the price when the price crossed the 200 period moving average. That means that that position that you place is still on, is still yielding profit from that time till today, till the day it came back below 200 period moving average. So the lesson here is that you allow the market to work for you, not for you working for the market. And that is how FX, that is how stock market, FX market, and the rest of it is being traded with ease. That is how the big guys, the big boys normally trade. And to tell you the reality, it is not um, most people that usually use this kind of a 200 long-term period moving average are the long-term investors and traders. Long-term investors and traders are the people that mostly use this kind of indicator, the 200 period a moving average, to place a trade. Now let me give you the details. Let us go through the chart and see the details how the the stock's price has been above the 200 period moving average. As you can see, that green line is the 200 period moving average. Let me zoom it a little bit so that we can see it clearly. That green line is the 200 period moving average, and the price went above that 200 period moving average from here. Look at it. If you check the date, let me mark the date so that we can see it and understand what I'm saying. If you check the date, you see that the price has been above this this particular stock for the past 3 years, starting from November 9th, 2022, if I'm not mistaken. Look at it clearly. November 9, 2022. That is when the price went above the 200 period moving average. And the price has been there since then till 2025. If you check it, 2022 to 2023 1 year, 2023 to 2024 2 years, 2024 to 2025, that is 3 good years. And that's how you will ride the trend, you will ride the profit until it came back below the 200 period moving average. Now, it is not only plotting 200 period moving average that ends the matter. If you are trading off a let's say 15-minute chart, 30-minute chart, or 1 hour chart, I guess if you'll be able to capture this kind of trend, because those time frame are mini, they are too small, they are too little to be able to capture this kind of trend with the 200 period moving average. It's only when you trade off a, let's say, daily chart, weekly chart, and the rest of it. Let's say 4 hours chart, daily charts and weekly charts will make a very good um, mm, time frame. But when you are trading the lower time frame, you cannot capture. You can only capture for months, but it will not be up to a year, 1 year, 2 years, up to 3 years. Now, now let's go through the line of this particular stock. Let me zoom it out so that we can see it clearly. You can see it. Even the price of the stock gives the moving average gap. It is very far away from it, showing you that the thing is strong. It supports it. And finally, it came down here. It came down here. It came down here. Look at it where it came down. It came down here. And you take your profit and move. So the lesson learned here is that you allow the market to work for you. But to tell you the truth, it is not easy. It is only the people that have prepared their mind, those that have prepared their mind are the people that will be able to trade, to place trade and leave it like this. If you must have prepared your mind and know what it means, and know what it takes, and know the value of trading like this, that is when you'll be able to leave your trade to run for 3 days without touching it. Because I know that most of us, when you place a trade 1, 2, 3 days, 1 month, we are already yearning to close it out. But if you know what you are doing and you know what you want, that is when the market will work for you, and that is exactly how you will trade and make profit. I didn't say that some other strategies, those that normally take profit quickly, maybe a day or 2 days, or even from within minutes, no, is not good. But I'm telling you in the perspective of you placing a trade, closing your laptop and go and sleep. Just come back and check it and you see the price moving in your favor. It happens not once, not twice, not thrice. There are a lot of stocks that are moving in that way, but you have to search for them, look for them for you to be able to capture a trend like that. Thank you very much and see you some other time.